Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some more problems of the chapter Lines and Angles. So our question is, in the given figure, if L is a transversal to line M and N, here L is the transversal to line M and N, okay, where M is parallel to N. Here it is given that M and N are parallel lines, and angle 1 and 2 are in the ratio 3:2. It is angle 1 and it is angle 2, and these are in the ratio 3:2. Find the remaining angles. Okay, so see here how to find. Let angle 1 equals 3x and angle 2 equal to 2x, because it is given that the angles 1 and 2 are in the ratio 3:2. So we have taken as angle 1 equal to 3x and angle 2 equal to 2x. Now we see that angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. 1 and 2 are linear pair. So now angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degree, as it is linear pair. Region is linear pair. This implies here angle 1 is 3x and angle 2 is 2x. So 3x plus 2x equals 180 degree. This implies 5x equals 180 degree. This implies x equal to 180 degree by 5, that is 36 degree. So x is 36 degree. Hence angle 1, so angle 1 equal to 3x equal to 3 multiplied by 36 degree, that is 108 degree, and angle 2 equals 2x equals 2 multiplied by 36 degree, that is 72 degree. Hence we have to find here angle 1 is 108 degree and angle 2 is 72 degree. Now we have to find the remaining 6 angles. So here see that corresponding angle of 1 is angle 5, corresponding of 2 is 6. So 1 and 5 will be equal and 2 and 6 will be equal. Now angle 1 equals angle 5, angle 1 equal to angle 5. What is the region? Corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. So this implies angle 1 is 108 degree. So 108 degree equals angle 5. So we have find angle 5. Okay. Now 1 is also equal to angle 7. Okay. Also angle 1 equal to angle 7. What is the region? Alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. So this implies 108 degree equal to angle 7. Okay. So we have find 1, 5 and 7. Now angle 4 and 5 will be equal. Why? Alternate interior angles. Also angle 4 equal to angle 5. What is the region? Alternate interior angles. So this implies angle 4 108 degree. Okay. Now angle 4 is 108 degree. Now we have to find angle 3, angle 3, angle 6 and angle 8. So now angle 2 and 6 will be equal. Also angle 2 equal to angle 6, as what is the region? Corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. So this implies angle 2 is 72 degree. So 72 degree equals angle 6. Also angle 2 equals angle 8. Alternate exterior angles. Angle 2 equal to angle 8. Region is alternate exterior angles. So this implies 72 degree equal to angle 8. Now here angle 6 and angle 3 will be equal. Region is alternate interior angle. So angle 6 equal to angle 3. Region is alternate interior angles. So this implies here angle 6 is 72 degree. So 72 degree equals angle 3. Okay. So we have find all the angles. Okay. So right here, hence angle 1 equals angle 4 equals angle 5 equals angle 7 equals 108 degree, and angle 2 equals angle 3 equal to angle 6 equal to angle 8. 2, 3, 6 and 8 are equal 72 degree. So it is our answer. Okay, so now we are going to discuss another problem. Our next problem is, in the given figure, given that AB is parallel to CD. It is AB and it is CD. AB is parallel to CD. If angle 2 equals 2x plus 30 degree, angle 4 equals x plus 2y degree, and angle 6 equal to 3y plus 10 degree, we have to find the measure of angle 5. So see here how to solve. Here we see that angle 2, 4 and 6 is given, and here we see that 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angle. That means these angles must be equal. So we write angle 2 equal to angle 4. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now what is the measurement of 2 is given? 2x plus 30 degree. And what is the measurement of 4? X plus 2y. So this implies 2x minus x plus 30 equals 2y. This implies x plus 30 equals 2y, and this implies x plus 30 upon 2 equals y. It is first equation. Now here angle 2 and 6 are corresponding angle. So 2 must be equal to 6. So also angle 2 equals angle 6. What is the region? Corresponding angle. So this implies, what is the value of 2? 2x plus 30. And what is the value of 6? 3y plus 10. So this implies 2x plus 30 minus 10 equals 3y. And this implies 2x plus 20 equals 3y. And this implies 2x plus 20 divided by 3 equals y. It is equation 2. Now we see that here in 1 the value of y is x plus 30 by 2. In equation 2 the value of y is 2x plus 20 by 3. And both x plus 30 by 2 and 2x plus 20 by 3 is the value of y. That means these two value of y must be equals. So hence from equation 1 and 2, hence from equation 1 and 2, x plus 30 divided by 2 equals 2x plus 20 divided by 3. After cross multiplication, 3x plus 90 equals 4x plus 40. So this implies 3x minus 4x equals 40 minus 90. And this implies minus x equal to minus 50, and this implies x equals 50. Okay, so we have find here x is 50 degree. So the value of angle 6 is, so the value of angle 2 is 2x plus 30 degree. Value of angle 2 is 2x plus 30 degree, that is 2 multiplied by 50 plus 30, that is 130 degree. 52 is 100 plus 30, 130. Now we see that 2 is same as 6. So angle 6 must be equal to 130 degree. Okay. So this implies angle 6 equals 130 degree, and angle 5 equals, see, angle 5 equals, angle 5 and 6 are linear pair, so 5 equals 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree, as angle 6 and 5 are linear pair. Okay, so angle 5 is 50 degree, it is our answer. So in tomorrow class we will discuss some new topic.